Hi friends! I just want to give you an outline of what you're doing this week. On Monday, you have another journal entry to do. That's journal entry number 6. It's due Monday, and you will find it in the week 13 folder in Schoology. Then I want you to complete this Thesaurus practice assignment for Tuesday. It's due on Tuesday. Follow the directions when you're in the assignment. This is going to help prepare you for using different types of word choices when you're writing. On Wednesday, you're going to look at this flash fiction assignment in Schoology. It gives you a rubric for the next assignment that you're going to be doing, which is to write a flash fiction story. A flash fiction story is basically a really short story. Usually they're like a page to 2 pages long, so very short. But they still have a full plot. They still have a beginning, middle, and end. They have characters, they have dialogue, they have good word choices. So you can start thinking about what kind of a story you would want to write. You're going to create your own characters with their own names and personalities, and then there's going to have to be some sort of a conflict in the story, and then it will come to a resolution by the end. I have an example story called Chocolate Cupcakes that I wrote myself, and so for Thursday, your job is to read it. If you go into this document, there's a little video at the top so you can hear me reading the story to you. While you're paying attention to that story, think about what you might want to do. I want you to notice the word choices that I use and notice how I made characters and how I made a conflict happen. And then at the end, there's a resolution. On Friday, you're going to start working on this planning sheet. So it basically will outline some ideas for your own story. You're going to have to start coming up with some ideas in this planning sheet for what you're going to want to write about. It's not due by Friday. It'll be probably due on Monday, so don't worry about turning this in right away. Just start outlining what you're going to want to do for your own story, what kind of characters you're going to want to have, that sort of thing. If you have any questions or you ever need anything, please always feel free to let me know. I am here for you, and I really miss seeing you guys in class, but I'm always in the Google Meets during our class time, so anytime you want to come in and talk during Google Meets, that's great. I'll see you on Monday at 9:54 a.m. Have a really great day.